Is your BMW X1 Apple CarPlay connection dropping or refusing to pair? Let us walk through the steps to get your system back online. Statistics show that 85% of connection issues are software related, meaning you likely do not need a new head unit. Before you visit the dealer, follow this diagnostic sequence to isolate the failure point. Start by deleting the pairing from both devices and performing a hard reset on the iDrive system to clear the cache. If software resets fail, inspect your physical connection cables for any signs of wear or internal damage. Outdated firmware can cause handshake errors, so always check for official BMW updates through your connected drive portal. Stick to these DIY steps first, as dealer visits for infotainment issues can quickly become quite expensive. As you can see, performing these simple resets yourself can save you hundreds of dollars in unnecessary service fees. If problems persist, use a BMW-specific scanner to pull hidden codes that might point to a faulty antenna or module. Keep a high-quality cable and a compatible OBD scanner in your glove box to troubleshoot these issues on the go. Remember that these systems are complex computers, so give them time to stabilize after any reset or update. If you follow these steps, you should be back to your music and navigation in no time. Thanks for watching.